Welcome to Fit Body Facts, the channel that gives you tips on fitness, nutrition, and health to help you achieve your goals quicker. Hi guys, I'm Chloe.
Hi, I'm Steve. And today we're going to talk about the 5 most common mistakes that sabotage your progress in the gym, and especially how to avoid them. Stay with us until the end because the last one will surprise you and may confuse you if you don't pay attention.
Mistake number 1, not having a training plan. A lot of people go to the gym and improvise. A little bit of machines here, a little cardio there. Result? No clear progression. The body needs a structured and progressive plan. The solution is simple. Choose a program that is appropriate for your level and follow it for several weeks. No need to make it complicated. 3 to 4 sessions per week with the basic exercises are enough to progress. Focus on different body parts for each session. One day for your upper body, another one for the lower body, and the last session for cardio and abs only, for example. That is already a great start. Remember, you can't target fat loss, so your entire body needs to feel your program. Mistake number 2, neglecting nutrition. Believing that training is enough is the most common mistake. You can train 6 days a week, but if your plate doesn't follow, your results will stagnate. We are not asking you to restrict yourself or to follow those rigid and unsustainable diets. No, just start simple. Add a good source of protein to every meal, prioritize raw foods, and minimize ultra-processed products. Your body needs quality fuel to transform.
Mistake number 3, too much cardio, not enough strength training. When you want to lose fat, many people think that cardio is the miracle solution. Therefore, they spend hours on the treadmill and never come close to the weightlifting area of the gym. Yes, cardio helps. But without weight training, you may lose muscle too. However, it is precisely the muscle that allows you to burn more calories even at rest. The best strategy is to combine cardio and strength training. Together, they deliver the best results and will help you to achieve that lean and toned body you're dreaming of. Mistake number 4, neglecting sleep and recovery. This is perhaps the most underestimated mistake, believing that results come only from training. In reality, muscles are built during rest. The majority of the growth hormone release occurs during deep sleep. This hormone is essential for tissue repair and muscle growth. Insufficient sleep can therefore reduce its production and, as a result, slow down your muscle gains. Furthermore, if you sleep poorly, your hormones go awry. More cortisol, less testosterone, less energy. The solution? Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night, and don't forget about active recovery, walking, stretching, and yoga.
Mistake number 5, lack of patience and change everything too quickly. This is the most common mistake. You want quick results. You change your program every 2 weeks, and you give up before it works. But fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. The best thing you can do is to commit to the same plan for at least 6 to 8 weeks before judging your results. Sustainable transformations take time, but they are worth the effort. Now, this may sound contradictory, but continuously doing the same type of training or the same exercises will also hinder your progress, as it leads our body to get used to it. You will notice that over time, the exercises that seemed insurmountable to you a few weeks ago now seem much easier. This is why variation is very important for great results.
To evolve, you have to stress the muscles with unusual and repeated efforts. To achieve this, we must change both the nature of your activities and the intensity of them. So, if you were used to doing squats with weights of 5 kilograms, for example, think about increasing the weight, the repetitions, or the number of sets. We even recommend that you completely change your program every 4 to 6 weeks and try new activities occasionally. Do not forget that the more you enjoy your workout, the less it feels like a burden to you.
There you go. Now you know the 5 most common mistakes that sabotage your results, and you also know how to avoid them. If you learned something with this video, subscribe to our channel for more tips on fitness, nutrition, and health.
And do not forget to like and share with your friends. There is a lot more on our page, so see you right away on the next video. Bye. Thank you for watching.